You are a mess. Here we go. All right, so dog park is definitely out of the question because it just now started raining. And mind you, the sun is up. It's a little bit cloudy, but it's also sunny at the same time. Florida. So I'm guessing we could just do a little car ride. I got my little companion here. Come on. Let me just pay attention to my driving. I was recently in a car accident, so I'm definitely not trying to get into another one. And I feel like I'm always talking crap about Florida, but we don't have the best drivers. That's why our insurance rates are through the roof. But anyway, I'm feeling like, Jess, what do you think? I'm feeling like maybe some Starbucks. Would you like a pup cup? Yes. Yes. Absolutely. All right. So, all right, I guess a little bit late at introducing what I'm actually doing here. So, I am filming from the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which I just recently bought. This is not a sponsored video. But I purchased the creator combo, so it's got the DJI Mic 2, which I'm using, for my audio. Let's see, what else can I say? I am filming right now at 4K, 24 FPS. I have auto white balance, I believe. Yeah, auto white balance. And I do have some custom settings that I pre-configured based on many videos that I watched on how to properly use this camera in a way that it doesn't look like overly digital or like you're filming out of an action camera or a smartphone. So it looks more cinematic. But anyways, don't look at me like that, Jazz. It's okay, I'm not talking to myself. I'm actually talking to my friends. Your mom is not going crazy. So my original plan was to go to a park that I really like going to over here, where I live in Central Florida. It has a very nice lighthouse, and I've taken a lot of pictures of it before when I've done some smartphone camera reviews, just for like some test photos and stuff like that. And my plan was to go there. I figured it's 4th of July. Today's 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. And my original plan was to go there and, that it would be busy, people barbecuing, and I would have something interesting to film. But since it just started raining and I have my friend Jazzy over here, I figured, you know what? Well, before it started raining, I said, you know what? Let me take her to the dog park. And that way I can get some slow-mo of her running around and, just being a dog. But since it just started raining, which it looks like it just stopped, so we might just go after. Figured let's do a car ride and, drop by good old Starbucks, get a pup cup and something for the parent here, the dog parent, and just have a nice little afternoon with my bestie over here, my little Jazzy Jazz. Yes, I'm picking up a mobile order for Joanna.
Alright, we're working on that. You can go ahead and pull forward.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me. You want a pup cup or not? Need to behave, okay? Be a good girl. Shh. My ear. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. What happened? What's wrong? Shh. Stop barking at people. Be good. Are the pup cups free, or do I have to? Could I get one, please? Thank you. Shh, get down. Get down. No. You are a mess. Thank you. You get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. This is not your pup cup. That's my drink. This is your pup cup. Okay? All right, relax. So I guess this is a good place to stop. This is it for now. I will leave you with a little bit of the vlog that I shot, and I will follow up with more videos.